So you need to get your AWeber API key, but you don't want to waste time digging through menus or outdated guides. Stick around, because I'll walk you through the fastest way to find it, and at the end, I'll share a much better alternative if you want a smoother experience. First, log in to your AWeber account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner, click on your profile name, and select Account Settings. From there, find the API tab. This is where AWeber stores your API key. If you've never generated one before, you'll need to click Create an API key. Once that's done, copy it and store it somewhere safe. That's it, you now have your AWeber API key. Next, if you're trying to integrate AWeber with another tool, like a CRM, e-commerce platform, or automation software, you'll usually need to paste this API key into the other platform settings. Some integrations might also require OAuth authentication, meaning you'll have to approve access instead of just pasting the key manually. Here's where things get tricky. AWeber's API is functional, but it's not the most intuitive. If you're a developer, it has solid documentation, but for non-tech users, the process can be frustrating, especially compared to other email marketing platforms that offer more plug-and-play integrations without messing with API keys. And that leads me to something important. If you're looking for an easier, more flexible email marketing solution without these extra steps, check out the better alternative I've linked in the description. After testing AWeber and several competitors, this one gave me the best experience for specific use case, automation, deliverability, ease of integration, etc. Plus, using our link, you'll get an exclusive free trial with perks that aren't available anywhere else. So, grab your AWeber API key if you still need it, but if you want a smoother, more user-friendly option, click the first link below and try it out for free.